Welcome to today's lesson. We will explore the present continuous tense, a vital part of English grammar that helps us describe actions happening right now or around this moment. Understanding this tense will enable you to talk about current activities, future plans, and changing situations more effectively. Let's dive into how to form and use the present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense? The present continuous tense describes actions that are happening right now or around the current moment. It is also used for future plans or arrangements. How to form the present continuous tense. Subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing. I use with am. Examples: I am studying for my exam. I am sleeping. I am cooking food. You, we, they use with are. Examples: they are watching a movie. We are going to the park later. You are listening to the podcast. He, she, it use with is. Examples: she is playing tennis now. It is raining outside right now. He is eating apple. It is happening very quickly.
When to use the present continuous. For actions happening now. She is cooking dinner. They are playing football in the garden. He is reading a book. We are studying English grammar. The children are watching cartoons. My friend is working on a project. The dog is barking loudly. For temporary actions, I am staying at a hotel this week. She is learning to play the piano temporarily. They are working on a project for their class. He is living with his parents for a few months. We are visiting our grandparents this weekend. The students are attending a workshop this week. I am using my friend's laptop while mine is being repaired. For future arrangements, I am meeting my friend tomorrow. She is attending a conference next week. They are going to the movies tonight. We are having dinner with my family on Saturday. He is starting his new job next Monday. The team is playing in the tournament next month. I am visiting my cousin next weekend. For changing situations, the weather is getting warmer now. Sales are increasing every day. The city is getting busier during rush hour. Prices are rising rapidly this year. The clouds are forming as the storm approaches. The traffic is getting worse in the mornings. The robot is becoming smarter with each update. Common signal words: now, right now, at the moment, currently, today, this week. Exercises present continuous tense. Thank you for joining this lesson on the present continuous tense. Keep practicing to master describing ongoing actions and future arrangements. Don't forget to subscribe for more language tips. Like the video if you found it helpful, comment your questions below, and share this lesson with friends. See you next time.